Hello grade 2s, welcome to the cursive lesson this week. It's week 7 and we're going to learn 2 new letters. Now what you see in the picture in front of you right now is actual footage of me with my newly painted pink nails writing in the garden. I'm just kidding, it's not. But I did actually paint my nails pink, and then I decided that I'm going to do this lesson on the computer like this. So I was a bit sad you don't get to see my nails, so that's why I chose this picture. So you can pretend it's me. Okay, anyway, enough of that. Let's get to our cursive. When we do a letter, I want you to hold out one hand in front of you. Take your finger and you're going to write on your hand to remind yourself of each letter. Okay, so let's do the first one. This is called revision. We're going over what we know already. Okay, remember in grade 1 already we learned the wave pattern and we all sweated and cried over it because it was very hard in the beginning, but then we got it right. And in grade 2 we realized that it's actually very handy for cursive. And this is the letter K. So take your hand and please write in your hand the letter K. Around, splash, all the way back and up. And you can see the curly K right there in the middle, just like we would make it in print, but it's got the cursive beginning and the cursive ending. And most letters have the cursive beginning, the cursive ending, and look pretty similar to the print ones. Hey, okay. Another letter we like to make that also starts with our wave pattern is the letter A. Here it is right there, normal in the middle, but it's got the cursive beginning and the cursive end. So take your hand out, let's practice. Around, back along the same line, up, down, cursive ending. Brilliant. Next, the letter R. Okay, we're going to go all the way up, over, just like the wave pattern, but this time when we come round, it's going to join, and then blow a kiss. Do you like that? I made that up all by myself last night. I was thinking, how can I say what's the difference between a cursive ending? And then I thought, this looks just like blowing a kiss. So there you go. The R blows a kiss. Okay, draw it in your hand. Around, over, back along the same line, up, and blow a kiss. Great. Next one, the D. Let's do it together in your hand. Same as the wave pattern. Up, over, back along the same line, all the way up, all the way down, cursive ending. It's just like the A, but it goes all the way up and then all the way down, cursive ending. Okay, the G, very similar. Let's do it together. You do it in your hand. Around, splash, back along the same line, up and down. This time we're going to loop and cursive ending. Great, you know that one too. Here we've got an E. We did it last week in your books. This is very different now to the wave pattern. Okay, we've moved on from that. We're going straight up and then all the way back and cursive ending. Can you do that in your hand? Straight up, back, loop, cursive ending. Very good. Remember, if you're going to go a loop as you're going up, it's going to look very funny. It's got to go quite straight up. Okay, and then it does the loop and the end bit is straight down. All right, just make sure you're doing that and you're not just doing loop, 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 loop. That looks like a spiral. Next one, the letter E. We're going straight up. It's like at an angle, but the line is straight. It's not a loopy line. Okay, angle up, straight down, cursive ending, dot on the top. One more time, you did in your hand. Straight up, straight down, cursive ending. Very good. Okay, the letter T is almost the same. It just is a little bit taller. Angle up and straight, straight down, cursive ending, cross your T. This one looks a bit slanty for my liking. When we do cursive in our books, I want you to try and get this line a bit straighter. Okay. Next one is the L. We're going angle up, loop at the top, straight down, cursive ending. Can you do that in your hand? Angle up, straight down, cursive ending. If you're struggling with this letter, I think it might be because you're not going straight down. Okay, we can't loop up and loop down. Then we're just going to get one big spiral. We're doing an angle up, but then we turn and we come straight down. and then cursive ending. Okay, now we've also done the A pattern a lot in grade 1, and we've realized it's very useful for cursive. Cursive beginning, normal A, around, up, down, cursive ending. Do that in your hand, please. Angle up, down, around, up, down, ending. Great. We did the Y, which is exactly the same as the A, but it has a very cool tail, and we've got it angles up, round, up, all the way down, turn, and cursive ending. Look at all these letters we've done. This is turning into a very long revision lesson. Okay, we're almost at the end. Remember to do this on your hand, the J. Let's go angle up, straight down, loop, and angle back. Straight down, please. Do it in your hand. Angle up, straight down, loop, and angle back. Cursive ending. Dot on the top. Don't forget to dot your I's and cross your T's. Okay, we did the N or worm pattern in grade 1. It looks a bit different to this one, but it's the same idea. We go cursive up, straight down, up, over, down, cursive ending. I know you're all very good at that one. And the M is exactly the same. We just do 2 bumps, just like we do in print. In normal writing, we go angle up and then just a normal M. Down, up, down, up, down, and cursive ending. Okay, very good. The H is the same, but we just go up for much longer, turn around, and then straight down, up, over, cursive ending. Do that in your hand, please. Straight up, round, down, up, over, down, cursive ending. Okay, finally we've got our new letter. What letter is this? Looks kind of different to its normal print counterpart. Looks firstly like a L, so you know how to make that. You go angle up, turn around, straight down. Then it turns into a bit of an A. Around, up, and finally it blows a kiss. This is the letter B in cursive. Let's try again. Can you do it in your hand? Angle up, turn around, straight down, around, and blow a kiss. Now I know you all can't wait to do that in your books. Let's do another one this week. That one is going to be your handwriting for Tuesday. I'll show you in a minute, practicing the letter B. And then for Wednesday, you're going to do the letter R, which is the same and also blows a kiss. Can you tell I'm quite proud of myself for making that up? Okay, let's do it in your hand. Angle up, straight down, up, blow a kiss. And that's the letter R. It's kind of the opposite of its print counterpart, because the R in the print form, it makes a rainbow, remember we used to say, but this R actually goes the opposite way. So you want to make a rainbow, but you've actually got to go under up and blow a kiss. Okay, let's do that in your hand. Angle up, straight down, straight up, blow a kiss. Very good. Okay, Tuesday, the 9th of May. Please write the date, rule off. Put your secret dots down the side to help orientate yourself. It's 5. Do the A pattern to get your hand ready all the way to the end without lifting your pencil. Do the L, which you know. Around, straight down, and up. Around, straight down, and up. Okay, you do one row of that because it just helps get our fingers ready to do the B, which starts exactly the same, around, straight down, but instead of finishing in a cursive way, we do the A shape and then blow a kiss. And you know by now that if you make a mistake, it's a happy mistake. Each one is going to get better than the last, and by the time you do your 3rd row, those are going to be close to what you think is more perfect. Please don't rub out everyone that has a happy mistake. Just keep going. The idea of handwriting is to practice. I mean, if you make a real mess, of course you can rub it out. Just one. Okay. When you finish your work, go back and find your best one. Put a little star next to it. Which one is my best one, do you think? I think, maybe I rushed towards the end. This one. Okay, I'll put a star here. Okay, then on the 20th of May on Wednesday, you are going to do the R, you're going to practice. We're going to start with the date, rule off, secret dots please. The A pattern, don't lift your finger to the end. And then we're going to practice our B, because this is the next day and we want to remember it. Round up like a L, loop, blow a kiss. Then we're going to practice a row of R. Up straight, up angled, straight down, up, blow a kiss. Up, straight down, straight up, blow a kiss. Okay, then we're going to do 2 rows of those. Okay, you need to practice. You have to teach your hand. You really do. There are muscles in your hand that don't know how to make that letter. Every time you make it, you teach them. And by the time you've taught them about 100 times, it's automatic. You don't have to think. If you want to write a word, that you're not thinking about how to make the letter. You're more or less thinking about spelling. Okay, then for your last line, you are going to join the letters. Haha. Okay, B. Cursive B, blow a kiss, go straight into the R, down, up, blow a kiss. The only part you might get confused is once you've blown a kiss, you're not sure how to get to the R. But this little loopy line that some of the letters make, that means you don't need to do the normal cursive beginning. Okay, it takes the place of that. So it's a B, blow a kiss, straight down into the R, blow a kiss. Next one, B, loop, blow a kiss, straight down, up, blow a kiss. Okay, and that's our cursive for the week. I think next week when we do it, it won't be such a long lesson because we won't need to revise all our letters. We'll just revise those 2 and 2 more. Have a lovely week, grade 2s.